Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the DREAME L10s Ultra Gen 2. If you're interested in this product or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we're in the DREAME app right here. We can view all of our devices. We need to add our new device. So top right hand corner, we hit those three dots. We select the first option down with the plus icon. It says add a device. We're taken to this screen where we can scan a code on our robot. Or you'll notice bottom right-hand corner, there's a 4 square icon that says add. You can manually pick and choose it from a list, but in our case, we have our setup code right here, so we can just scan that. Now we're taken to this next screen. Make sure the device is turned on. Ours is. We have white lights on. If you don't, just press and hold that power button for a couple of seconds. Select next. Release the hotspot. So we got to press and hold the spot cleaning and home button for 3 seconds and wait till we hear a voice prompt.
Waiting for the network configuration.
So we got that. Hit next. Now we need to connect to our Wi-Fi network. Make sure you're connected to a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, then select next. Now we need to join the device hotspot. So we're going to go do that. There it is. Join. It's connected and now it's working on connecting to everything else.
Robot and phone connected.
Got a voice prompt there.
App to wait for the result.
2 out of the 3 checked.
Network connected successfully.
Got the network update there.
Place robot back into dock before starting tasks.
Now we'll wait for the app to catch up.
Charging. It means the installation is in place.
And we'll put it back in the dock now while we wait for the app to catch up. There we go. The app is ready. We have the robot in the dock.
Start charging.
It's charging. Next, we can name it if we want. I'm going to leave it its default name. Hit finish. Now, there we go. We're taken into the device. We can agree to those terms. AI-driven mop extend. Absolutely, I want to turn that on. And then they have your nice tutorial here showing you how to do everything. There's also a firmware update, so make sure before you use it, you update the firmware. And this is going to be the screen that you'll be at when you're done. And your next step will be to position it where you want in your house. And then you hit that center button that says Start Fast Mapping. It'll create a map. Then you can edit your map and then you can start cleaning. So simple and straightforward to get this set up with the DREAME app. It'll take you only a minute or 2.